If this has found you on November 24th, this is your synchronicity. I'm going to tell you something that you didn't even know you needed to hear today. But before I tell you that, I want to let you know, please don't get scammed. I never reach out, okay? If someone reaches out to you under my name, it is not me. My TikTok, there's only one account with over 500,000 followers. Instagram, 300,000, YouTube, 40,000, and Facebook, 7,000. You can go to the link in my profile to make sure you're following the right account. Please don't get scammed. It is tricky out there right now, especially with the holidays going on. People are getting sneakier and sneakier. But with that being said, let's get to the message. There's something that you need to hear, and your angels are very excited that this found you. Okay, so we have right here going on strong with the Chariot. We have the Chariot coming out. I feel like you're at a fork in the road, and there's two different ways you can go, and Spirit wants you to know you can't choose wrong. Some of you are like, I don't know which way to go. They both sound great. And Spirit saying they will both get you to your destiny. But, you know, free will is the path you take to get to your destiny. So whatever's destined for you will happen, but the free will is how you get there, okay? So, I mean, and a good example of this is funny. This is what the one Spirit's giving me. So maybe some of you are wondering about love, since this is the example that I'm receiving. But let's say that you're supposed to be with a certain person, okay? Let's say that you guys go to the same high school, okay? You go to the same high school, but you never cross paths for some reason, right? And so Spirit makes you guys run into each other at a bar later on in life, right? Maybe it wasn't the timing that you're supposed to get together, but Spirit had many different outlets to get you guys together. Perhaps you could have been friends with someone who was friends with them in high school, and then you guys could have met, right? There's so many different ways you could have met this person, and your free will, choosing who to be friends with, for example, kind of decided which path you were going to meet this person, but you ended up taking this free will route, which led you to meeting them, you know, later on at a bar. But you were supposed to be with them, and the universe made sure of it. Destiny was, you know, they circled back and brought this person to you. So that's what I'm talking about here, you guys. This fork in the road that you're at, you can't pick wrong. You can't pick wrong. It's going to all work out. You can't pick wrong. So give yourself some slack. Be easier on yourself. Look, we have the star that just came out. I almost feel like divine timing is coming, and it's going to be, things are about to get really clear for you. Really clear. So if you don't know which path to pick and you're still confused at this point in the reading, don't make a decision. Let the universe show you some more contrast so that you can get some more clarity. And then before you know it, you won't even need to be wondering which path to pick, because it'll be so blatantly obvious that there will be no other path that makes sense, okay? So let me know if this resonates. Go check out the link in my profile. There's a bunch of fun stuff in there for you. I'll see you guys next time.